sports arenas and stadium. Explore the communication systems in sports arena and stadium. Game announcements keep fans updated with scores and shows. Event alerts inform fans about policies and emergencies. Event staff coordinate in real time for smooth events. Player-coach communication helps manage strategies during games. Effective communication in industrial and institutional settings. Communication is key in industrial and institutional settings. Let's explore its role. In industrial process, industrial communication is vital. One-way announcements update operations. Safety messages and evacuation instructions are broadcast. Two-way communication connects control rooms, plant personnel. It coordinates maintenance and emergency response. In manufacturing plants, shift changes and operational alerts are announced. Machine operators communicate with supervisor. Two-way communication ensures coordination between staff and control rooms. Mining operations. Mining operations rely on effective communication systems. Let's explore how they work. One-way systems broadcast important alerts. They warn miners before blast and update on environmental conditions. Two-way systems enable instant communication. They coordinate emergency responses and manage logistics efficiently. This ensures safety and smooth operations. Ports and shipping yards. Ports and shipping yards rely on effective communication system. These systems ensure smooth operations. Announce ship arrivals, announce cargo schedules. They also provide safety alerts and operational updates. Two-way facilitate communication between the shipping office and dock personnel. They ensure smooth coordination. Audio communication systems are vital in ports. They enhance efficiency and safety in shipping operations. Oil and gas refineries. Two-way systems control room field communication. Real-time communication between control room operators and field technician. To monitor processes, address issues, and ensure efficient operations. Maintenance coordination, facilitating communication between maintenance teams and operations staff. Energy distribution centers, two-way systems. Field operations coordination, real-time communication between field technician, control room operators, and maintenance team manage energy distribution and address issues. Incident response communication, facilitating communication between response team and management to handle grid. Institutional application. Educational institutions, schools, colleges, universities. One-way systems. Daily announcements and notices. Broadcast of events like assemblies or special programs. Two-way systems. Communication between administrative offices and classroom. Security and emergency communication across campus. Manufacturing and industrial plants. Explore communication systems in industrial settings. One-way systems announce shift and breaks. They broadcast safety instructions and operational changes. Two systems enable communication between operators and supervisors. They ensure quick response to issues. Shopping malls. Shopping malls are bustling hubs of activity. Communication is key to their operations. Promotional announcements inform shoppers about sales and new stores. Safety alerts ensure public safety by lost children or emergencies. Security personnel communication in real time to manage incident. Public transit systems. One-way systems. Passenger information. Announcing train, bus, or tram arrivals and delays, keeping passengers informed in real time. Safety announcements. Broadcasting security protocols, lost item alerts, or emergency evacuation instructions. Libraries. Libraries are hubs of knowledge and community events. Libraries use one-way systems for announcements. They remind visitors to stay quiet. They also announce closing times and special events. This ensures smooth operations. Banking and financial institutions. One-way systems. Security alerts. Broadcasting security updates, lockdown procedures, or emergency announcements to all employees in the building. Customer service announcements. Informing customers of queue status, service availability, and branch closure times. Luxury hotels and resorts. One-way systems. Guest announcements. Broadcasting information on daily activities, dining options, and special events to all guests. Safety alerts. Announcing fire drills, evacuation procedures, or severe weather warnings to ensure guest safety. Cinemas and theaters, one-way systems, showtime announcements, broadcasting movie or performance schedules, seat availability, or last call concessions to audiences. Announcing fire exits and emergency procedures before and after shows to ensure audience safety. Real-time communication between ushers, projectionist, and security to manage crowd control, technical issues, and safety. Facilitating communication between concession stands, box offices,